the simple steps to financial freedom. Now, if you think the road to financial freedom is a complicated one, you are mistaken. You are also in the right place, because we are about to break down the road to financial freedom in 10 simple steps. And make sure to watch until the end of this video for a bonus tip. In a world filled with financial uncertainties, achieving true financial freedom is a goal that many aspire to attain. Imagine a life where you have the power and freedom to pursue your dreams without worrying about money. The path to financial freedom might seem daunting, but with the right strategies and a disciplined approach, it's entirely within your reach. In this video, we're guiding you through 10 simple, actionable steps which you can begin today to pave the way to your financial independence, with a bonus tip at the end. The first step: set clear financial goals. Every journey begins with a destination in mind. Establishing clear financial goals is the foundation of your path to financial freedom. Visualize. Whether it's buying a home, paying off debt, traveling the world, or retiring comfortably, having well-defined objectives will give you a roadmap to follow. Step number 2. Create a budget. A budget is your financial GPS. It helps you track your income and expenses, allowing you to identify areas where you can save. By setting limits on your spending and allocating funds toward your goals, you'll be better equipped to manage your finances and make informed decisions. Step number 3. Build an emergency fund. Life is unpredictable, and having an emergency fund provides a safety net during challenging times. Aim to save at least 3 to 6 months' worth of living expenses in a separate account. This will provide peace of mind and prevent you from going into debt during unexpected situations. Step number 4. Increase your income. While reducing expenses is important, increasing your income significantly boosts your financial progress, allowing for much more freedom. Explore opportunities for career advancement, side gigs, starting a business, or freelance work that align with your skills and passions. In today's world, there is an abundance of opportunities. Simply decide what it is you are good at and enjoy, or something that you are already doing, and figure out how to monetize that. Step number 5. Live below your means. It's not about how much you earn, it's about how much you keep. Living below your means involves spending less than you earn. This practice enables you to save and invest more, accelerating your journey to financial independence. Step number 6. Invest wisely. Investing is a key driver of wealth accumulation, whether it's in stocks, Bitcoin, precious metals, real estate, or retirement accounts. Choose investments aligned with your risk tolerance and goals. Diversification is essential to manage risk and increase potential returns. Step 7. Manage and reduce debt. High-interest debt can hinder your progress towards financial freedom. Focus on paying off debts with the highest interest rates first, while making minimum payments on others. As you eliminate debt, you'll free up more funds to invest and save. Step number 8. Save and invest windfalls. Windfalls, such as tax refunds or bonuses, are excellent opportunities to accelerate your financial goals. Rather than splurging, consider allocating a portion of these unexpected funds toward your savings or investments. Step number 9. Continuously educate yourself. Financial literacy is empowering. Stay informed about personal finance topics, investment strategies, and economic trends. The more you know, the better equipped you'll be to make informed decisions that align with your goals. Step number 10. monitor and adjust your plan. As you progress on your journey, regularly review your financial plan. Life circumstances change and your goals might evolve. Meditate on your goals often. Make necessary adjustments to ensure your plan remains relevant and effective, and listen to your inner guidance on the following steps to take. Bonus step. Further unlock your financial potential with Chime. With Chime's innovative Credit Boost credit card, you can easily improve your credit score by making everyday purchases and on-time payments, all reported to the major credit bureaus. Plus, enjoy a suite of other top-notch services including no-fee checking and savings accounts, fee-free overdraft protection, and automatic savings features. Join millions of satisfied customers and experience the future of banking with Chime, where building your credit and financial health is simple, convenient, and rewarding. Sign up today with the link in this video's description and take control of your financial destiny. In conclusion, achieving financial freedom is a deliberate and steady process that requires commitment, discipline, and patience. By following these 10 simple steps, you are taking the reins of your financial future and paving the way for a life of freedom, unburdened by financial stress. Remember, every small action you take today brings you closer to a tomorrow where you have the freedom to pursue your passions and dreams without being constrained by financial limitations. Start your journey today and watch as your financial well-being transforms before your eyes. Remember to subscribe to this channel so you won't miss out on any great content on your path to financial, personal, and spiritual freedom. And head on over to LifeFinanceBeyond.com for more valuable articles and content. Life Finance Beyond. Success in life, finance, and beyond. One love and be blessed, friends.